What's up, my soaping friends? If you haven't clicked on a video of mine before, let me just say hello. My name is Kiana. I'm the owner of a soap company where I specialize in sending love in soap form. Not only do we get your body clean, rub-a-dub-dub, but we will motivate you in between, okay? It's really more than soap, you guys. It's a lifestyle. So if you can dig it, hit that subscribe button and join us on Leading with Love and Positivity, okay? Spread love, never hate. One more thing, if you are new here and you're new to soaping, I do recommend watching this video right here in the corner where I go over lye and its safety in detail. I also recommend for any new soapers out there who have not made soap yet to pull resources from other soapers here on YouTube. There's tons and tons of information, and it's best to have multiple sources when learning something new. Now that all the information is out the way, I know my soaping friends are like, Kiana, this title say recipe. Can we get to it? We most definitely can. Let's get to it. Here are my hard butters and oils that I'm going to melt via double boiler. I'm using shea butter at 30%, coconut oil at 13%. Next, I have my liquid oils. I'm using olive oil at 50%. It's already in the container. And I will be adding sweet almond oil at a 7%. I did not always use sweet almond oil in this recipe, but it brings wonderful properties to this soap. It's a very moisturizing, silky lather when sweet almond oil is involved. Okay, now that all my hard butters and oils are fully melted, I'm going to combine them with my liquid oils. Make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl. No drop of oil left behind. I am soaping at a lower temperature because it is hotter than a bowl of grits here in hot, humid Louisiana. So my oils are at a 94 degrees and my lye is at a 96 degrees. Next, we're going to strain our lye water into our oils and begin to mix. There will be a link to soap calc in the description box. For those of you who do not know, soap calc is a soap calculator that will run these percentages I'm giving you and change them into ounces, pounds, or grams. Soap calc will also calculate your water and lye amount. I use lye at a concentration of 33%. Drop a calculator emoji in the comments if you want to see me do a video on how to use soap calc. Okay, so I've clearly already started to mix my soap batter. I'm going to mix until I come to a light trace. Now I'm splitting my soap batter and I'm going to color 1/2 green using spinach powder. I had every intention to take some liquid oil at the beginning to mix with my spinach powder, but I forgot, so I just took a little bit of my soap batter, mixed it with my powder so that it wouldn't be as clumpy going in. After I get this nice and stirred, I will be going in and stick blending just a little bit more. Next, we're going to add our essential oil. I'm using a blend of peppermint, cedarwood, and tea tree oil. This blend of essential oil behaves really well in CP soap. So I'm going to get that stirred in and get every drop. Essential oils cost money, and we don't waste money over here. Every drop. Okay, you guys, we are almost ready to pour our soap. I'm just showing you here that we are at a light trace. I'm going to do a in the pot swirl. So I'm just going to pour my green into the rest of my batter. different angles. I'm switching it up. I'm getting fancy. Get everything poured in. I'm finna hit y'all with a different angle. You know, real YouTuber stuff. Look at that. Okay, so you already know we gonna scrape the sides of the bowl. Boom. No waste allowed. Now I got a little carried away with the swirl. See, I shouldn't have went back in for a second time, but it's all good. So, and I'm still swirling. So let's pour this bad boy. I spilled a little, but that's okay. A little mess never hurt anybody. If you don't have a little mess while you're soaping, are you really soaping? Let's be honest. Now, while I clean this mess up, this beautiful soap of mine is available on my site. The website is in the description box. And this soap is a part of the Family Matters collection, a collection that's dedicated in getting the whole household clean. This is available to buy in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. And the name of this soap is Grandmother's Purse, hence the peppermints, okay? Because if your granny didn't have peppermints in her purse, was she truly your granny? Hmm? Okay, so now I'm going to add some texture to Grandmother's Purse. You know, a little razzle dazzle on one side. Keep it simple. You know, Granny, she not with all of that, but she want a little something. Stay tuned for the cut, you guys. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments how it goes for you. I'm always here for any questions or tips. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @ForASoap. You can get in touch with me a lot quicker over there than on YouTube if you have any soaping questions. Now, let's get to the cut. And there she is, a beautiful minty green color. This is actually one of my favorite bars of soap to use. This is the maker's favorite right here. I love me some Grandmother's Purse. You can tell where I got carried away with swirling in my pot, but it still came out gorgeous. I'm still pleased with it. My mom was over when I was cutting this, and baby, she just had to be involved in some type of way or form. So I let her go ahead and have her little 3 seconds of fame. Okay, I'm gonna do a little branding here and stamp my soap. I will have everything that I use equipment wise in the description box. The full recipe will be in the description box. Soap calc link will be in the description box. Look at that, for a soap company. That's that, you guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, my soap and friends, continue to spread love, never hate. Peace.